નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ટુડે we are going to learn standard 6th English unit number 2nd Amazing Animals. As you know students, in our previous videos we studied about unit 1st, the world of colors. In that unit we discussed colors quarreling and different types of colors. Now in this unit 2nd, we have to discuss about animals. In that unit we have to also discuss the quarreling between animals. In previous lesson we studied about quarreling about colors. Here in that unit we have to discuss about quarreling with animals. So students, now let's start our unit 2nd, Amazing Animals. Here in that unit we have to study about 10 activities. Now I start activity number 1st. See here, activity 1st. This unit is about some of the amazing animals that share our world. This unit is about some of amazing animals that share our world. We have to discuss in whole unit about animals. Now here one picture given. First of all, you have to find out whose picture is it. First of all, we have to find out whose picture is it. Just you have to find out whose picture is it. What animal shape do you see? What animal shape do you see here? So everybody knows about it. So answer become butterfly. So you have to write answer here, butterfly, in your textbook. Write answer butterfly in your textbook. Now next things we have to discuss. Second question is there, what words do you find in the shape? What words? Here different words is writing in a small and big and bold and italicized letters. We have to find words from here and we have to make a list here. So I make a list here. You have to complete that list in your textbook. We find red, fly, flowers, color, antenna, insect, free, pollen, black, yellow, change, cocoon, wings, etc. Many more words I found from that butterfly picture. You have to write all the words list here in your textbook. So student, it's an interesting activity number 1st. Now we have to do activity number 2nd. Our main lesson started from here. Activity 2nd, Battle in the Jungle part 1. Battle in the Jungle part 1. It's a main lesson for our textbook. So here part 1 is given here. Part 2nd give in next activities. First of all, we have to understand the lesson and we have to discuss new words with it. Okay, now let's start it. Battle in the jungle. Battle means what? First of all, we have to understand it. Battle means to fight with each other. It is known as a battle. Battle in the jungle. Here battle started in a jungle. Part 1 we have to understand. First of all, I start here. Once upon a time, all the animals that walked on land and all the birds and insects that flew in the sky began to quarrel about who was the smartest and strongest. Now what's happened? First of all, we have to understand it. Once upon a time, before many years, all the animals that walked on the land, all the animals that can walking on the land and all the birds and insects that flew in the sky, all the birds and insects that flew in the sky began to quarrel about who was the smartest and strongest. The quarreling for what? Quarreling is for who was the smartest and strongest. Quarreling between birds and animals and insects is that who was the smartest and strongest. Who is the smartest and strongest in the jungle? Quarreling started between them with that things. Now what's happened we have to see. At first they spoke softly. At first both sides, birds and animals, spoke softly. Then slowly they became angrier and louder. After that, sometimes they became angrier with each other and louder voice raised between fighting between them. The tigers growled and the wolves howled. The tigers growled. Growled means one type of sound created by tigers. Here, new word is given here. Growls. So growls means what? Growled means make a loud sound in the throat as a sign of anger. And then wolves howled. Wolves howled. Wolves howled means what? Wolves means one type of sound created by vowels. Wolves. Okay. Now next thing is there. The bird gave loud cries and cackles. On the other side, the birds gave loud cries and cackles. The insects buzzed as loudly as they could, and the insects buzzed as loudly as they could. So insects makes also sounds here. After that, what's happened? We have to see. At last, an old parrot said, "Stop shouting." At last, growling, howling, and buzzed. After that, one old parrot said that, "Stop shouting. Stop shouting. Let's not waste our time and energy in talk. Let's not waste our time and energy in talking only. Let's fight. Let's fight with each other and decide who is superior and powerful in the jungle." The animals laughed at the bird's idea. First of all, animals thinking that bird is fighting with us. So animal laughed at the bird's idea, parrot's ideas. "What?" said the lion. First of all, lion speak now. "What? Can you fight us? Can you fight with us?" Lion asked the first question. "Don't be foolish. I can bite harder than any one of you." And don't be foolish. Lion said that. Don't be foolish. I can bite harder than any one of you. I can bite hard any than of you. I am a powerful animal. The elephant said, "I can lift a whole tree and fight you all at once." The elephant said now once, "I can lift a whole tree. I can lift up a whole tree and fight with you all at once. I fight with you tree." Now what's happened? We have to see. "We will easily defeat you." Now what's happened? "We will easily defeat you," the elephant said. "Will you?" said the parrot. "We will see about that. Get ready to fight us." Now parrot replied that, "Will you? Will you fighting with us?" Parrot asked two animals. "We will see about that. We can see that. Get ready to fight us." Now get ready to fight us. The lion became the commander of the animals. Now on the animal side, lion became the commander of the animals. Commander means chief person, chief head of the army. It's become a lion. Animal side, lion became the commander. The parrot became the commander of the birds. On the bird side, the parrot became the commander of that army. The lion called all the animals together and gave them a drill for practice. Now what's happened? It's a preparation for fighting. Preparation for fight started. The lion called all the animals together and gave them a drill for practice. And then lion gave full practice to all other animals. They marched for long hours. They marched for long hours. He were practices much more in a long time. He gave them a lot of good food too. And lion also give good food to all other animals to make able with fighting with birds. The poor birds on other side, the poor birds did not have a good food and they did not practice. On other side, the poor birds did not have a good food with them and they did not practice much more like animals. Instead, they had a meeting with their friends, the insects. Instead, they are not making practice and they are not taking good food. They are meeting with their friends, insects. So birds make meeting with insects. Now here our part 1 over. Battle in the jungle part 1 over. Here new words is given by textbook, and here I write 3 new words here. Did you find more new words? Write them to help you remember them. I write here new words 1, 2 and 3. You have to complete all the new words in your English Spare notebook. First of all, give heading unit 2nd on new page. Then write activity number 2nd. Give activity 2nd heading battle in the jungle part 1. Then new words. You have to complete all the new words in your fair notebook, students. Okay? Can you understand? Now activity number 3. We have to discuss about it. Activity 3. 3 characters have spoken in the story so far. Who are they? In our first part, Battle in the Jungle, we see that 3 characters spoke. Who are they? We have to write here. I write answer here as an example. An old parrot, the lion and the elephant have spoken. Here in our previous activity, old parrot spoke something, the lion also spoke, and the elephant also spoke. 3 characters they are speaking. They are speaking in earlier activity. So you have to write that answer in your textbook. Now what's happened we have to see. Look carefully at the story. How do you know who is speaking? Look carefully at the story, first story. How do you know who is speaking? How does the punctuation in the story show you that the characters are speaking? You have to observe the speaking words. They are put in the different types of punctuation mark and quotation marks. You have to notice all the things in your textbook. Notice and copy one of the quotation. You have to notice the quotation mark and punctuation mark, and then you have to copy with it punctuation from one of the characters. One of the characters speech you have to write here with all the punctuation mark and quotation mark. I write as an example here. At last, an old parrot said, "Stop shouting. Let's not waste our time and energy in talk. Let's fight." So you can write here any animal's speech here. I write it as an example parrot speech here. You can write any animal's speech here. So just write it here in your textbook. Now next thing. The story says all the animals that walked on land and all the birds and insects that flew in the sky began to quarrel. In the activity 2nd, we studied about the other animals, birds and insects starting to quarrel with each other. At first, they spoke softly. After starting point, they spoke softly. Then slowly they become angrier and louder. You know what 3 characters said, but what did the other animals say? For example, the story says the tigers growled and the wolves howled. The birds gave loud cries and cackles. So 3 characters talking we discussed in a earlier activity. Now others animals also speak something. Other birds and insects also speak something. The insects buzzed as loudly as they could, and also insects participate in that quarreling. What do you think the tigers and wolves were saying with their growling and howling? Can you think that tigers and wolves what they are saying? Work with a partner in a group or as a class. Imagine and create a new dialogue between 2 or 3 other characters. We have to imagine what other animals say, and we have to make dialogues, and that dialogues we have to write on downside box. Use punctuation that you have noticed from the story to show who is speaking, and use punctuation mark that you have noticed from the story to show who is speaking. Now first I imagine and write here. First think about that. Tigers growled and said that we are the strongest, nobody can defeat us. For example, think tigers said that we are the strongest, nobody can defeat us. I write here as an example. Now wolves howled. There is no issue of deciding for proving who is the smartest. We are smarter than most other animals here. Now wolves said like that, I imagine. Now third one is there. Foxes jumped in, one of the oldest fox said. Jumped in, one of the oldest fox said, people call us cunning because even if we are weak in a physique, we can get things done quite smartly. Here as an example, three animals speech I write. Just you have to write all the things in your textbook. Okay, you have to complete it all in your textbook. Now next thing we have to discuss. If you worked as a pair or group, share your dialogues with your classmate. If you are worked in a pair or group, share your dialogues with other classmates what they are writing. Okay. Now activity fourth we have to do. Activity fourth is actually lessons main part second. Battle in the jungle part 1 we see in activity second. Now in activity 4 we have to see battle in the jungle part second. Do you need to read part 1 again? Do you need to read part 1 again? If need, then read part 1 again and then after listen that things. Battle in the jungle part second. Now what's happened? We have to do move forward. At the meeting, the parrot called on their friend the fly, you become the spy for our army. Tell us the animal's plan. Now what's happened? We have to see about it. Just see. Now at the meeting between birds and insects, the parrot called on their friends, the fly. Parrot called his friend fly and said that you become the spy. You become the spy for our army. You have to spying. Spy means what? First of all, we understand spy is a new word here. Spy means what? We have to understand it. Spy means a person who secretly collects and reports information about the activities of another country or organization or enemies. Secret information they steal. It's known as a spy. Okay? In Hindi we can say that jasus. Like that. So here parrot said that fly, you have to make a spy for our army. Tell us the animal's plan. And after that, getting information from the animal's side, you give us animal's plan. Now what's happened? We have to see. Yes, said the fly. Fly said that, yes, I will become the spy for our army. I will become the spy for our army. Before the battle, the lion called all the animals together. Before starting the battle, the lion called all the animals and make a meeting. The tiny fly flew in and hid nearby. At that time, that little tiny fly moved here and there and hid nearby. Hid means to hide here. Hid means to hide here. Hide nearby and listen all the things they're talking between animals. Are you all ready? The lion asked to other animals. Now other animals replied, yes, we are ready. Other animals replied that, yes, we are ready. They all shouted. In a shouted mood, they said that, yes, we are ready. We are ready to go to the battlefield. And we are ready to now go in battlefield. Then listen carefully, said the lion. Now lion gave one plan and said that the listen carefully what I say. The lion whispered. Lion speak in a soft voice. Whispered means what? To speak in a soft voice. Here new word is given, whispered. Whispered means to speak in a soft voice. I have a plan. Captain Fox, you have a nice long tail. First of all, lion told to Captain Fox that you have a nice long tail. You have a very big long tail. You will be my signal. When we have to starting our fight, at that time you became my signal. How? On the battlefield, I shall whisper in your ear when it is time to fight. At the battlefield, when time started to fighting, I whisper in your ear. You will put up your long tail to signal all the animals to attack the birds. At that time, you will put up your long tail to signal all the animals to attack the birds. Is that clear? क्या कहा लायन ने? लायन ने फॉक्स ये कहा कि आप मेरे सिग्नल हो, when I speak in your ear, मैं जब बोलता हूं तब आप अपनी टेल्स, पूंछ को ऊपर करना है एज ए सिग्नल, एंड एट दैट टाइम ऑल द एनिमल्स अटैक द बर्ड्स. इज दैट क्लियर? क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ very clear sir, said the fox. Now fox replied, very clear sir. Very well, said the animals in one voice, and all the animals understand lion's plan now. The fly hurried to tell the parrot the lion's secret plan. The fly hurried to tell the parrot the lion's secret plan. That fly hid nearby animals' meeting place, flew high and go to the birds, parrots, and said that the animals' plan. The time for the battle came. Now time for the battle came. Both sides meet on the battlefield. Both sides, animals and birds, meet at the battlefield. Soon the lion whispered to the fox. Urgently at that time, lion edged their plan. Lion whispered to the fox, it is time, put up your tail. It is time to fight, put up your tail. The fox put up his tail to signal the animals to attack. Now fox put up his tail to signal the animals to attack. But the parrot was ready. He quickly said to the bee, hurry at once and sting the fox's tail. At that time, parrot ordered the fly that quickly said to the bee, hurry at once and sting the fox's tail. Go fastly and sting the fox's tail. झड़प से आप जाइए और फॉक्स की जो टेल ऊपर है उस पे काट के आ जाइए. ऐसा ऑर्डर बीज को दिया. नाउ व्हाट्स हैपन? द बी स्टंग द फॉक्स. नाउ बी स्टंग द फॉक्स टेल. ही स्टंग हिम वंस. He stung one time to foxtail. He stung him twice. He also stung second time. He stung him 3 times, and 3 times he stung the tail of fox. Now what's happened? The fox forgot all about the signal at that time stinging of the bees. The fox forgot all about the signals. वो सिग्नल देना ही भूल गया. He jumped, he shouted, he jumped and shouted because bee stuck on the fox's tail. He ran in circle after his injured tail, and finally tucked his tail between his legs and ran away. And what's happened now? He ran in a circle after his injured tail, and finally tucked his tail between his legs. So he put his tail between his last 2 legs and ran away like that dog. आपने गली में देखा होगा, कभी कोई कुत्ता होता है वो अपनी पूंछ 2 टांग के बीच लगा देता है और भाग जाता है. लाइक दैट. द अदर एनिमल्स वेर कंफ्यूज्ड एंड ran after him. Other animals cannot understand what's happened now, and other animals were confused and ran after him, means ran after fox. They ran away from the battlefield. They lost the battle, and after that they lost the battle. वो लड़ाई हार चुके हैं. The birds fluttered their wings in joy. Now birds fluttered their wings in a joy. They had won without fighting at all, and then birds win the fight without fighting. So at last bird winner became winners. Birds and insects become here. Our part 2, battle in the jungle, over here. Can you understand, student, this story? Okay, students. Now students, after completing activity seconds new words, in your fair notebook you have to write activity 4th new words. First give activity 4th like that heading, then heading give battle in the jungle part 2nd, then new words you have to write, give heading. After that you have to complete all the new words in your fair notebook. So here activity 2nd and activity 4th new words. Activity 2nd's new words is given in your textbook. Now activity 4th's new words I write here. So you have to complete all the new words in your fair notebook. Can you understand, student? So all these new words, complete all these new words in your fair notebook as a heading activity 4th. So students, Everybody have to complete all the new words in your fair notebook. Till here you have to complete your work, students. Thank you for joining us